A simple trick to help you always take action. I was getting set to work on a project for work yesterday, and I had said to myself briefly, I could really use about 30 minutes of me time before I start. But instead of goofing off on Facebook for 30 minutes or reading about my favorite sports team, I got busy and took action. Today I was thinking about why I made that quick decision to work on my project rather than be non-productive. Was it because I'm motivated by fear like many people say that motivates them? No, it wasn't fear that motivated me. Was it because I didn't want to let myself and my family down? I think that had a little bit to do with it. Mostly I didn't want to let my wife down. Was it because I'm the kind of guy that always must do the right thing no matter what the circumstance? I wish, but I don't. Just ask my wife and she'll tell you. I believe it's because I've developed a habit over the years to time block my tasks for the day and then move on from one task to the next without thinking about it. I didn't even realize that I was tricking my brain into not thinking about the tasks. I just worked on the next one for the specified time of the day. This kept me from thinking about how I felt about doing the tasks that needed to be done. I just took the emotion right out of there. I wish I did that all the time in every part of my life, but so far it's only been implemented in my business. When I was raising my kids, I would tell them that the problem with our culture in the U.S. is people make decisions based on their feelings and not based on right or wrong. If I allow myself to think about how I feel, I hesitate and then get distracted and my work or my tasks for the day don't get done. I did a little research on this and came across a very inspiring video of a lady named Mel Robbins. Mel has developed a way to help people make better decisions in their life, and many really transform their lives by using the 5-second rule. In short, she was between jobs and was struggling to get out of bed in the morning for months. One day she was watching TV and NASA was launching a rocket. The old 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 countdown came over the TV and she said to herself, "That's it. I need to jump out of bed like a rocket in the morning." She started the next day and has applied the countdown or 5-second rule to every part of her life. She's helped millions of people with this strategy to make decisions, so it must be highly effective. So what about you? Do you always take action on the things that you know you should do? Or do you hesitate and think about how you feel about doing them? Do you think this little strategy can help you achieve your goals and dreams? Let me know. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!